大家好，我叫韩真爱. Hi, my name is Janai, and today we're going to talk about how to use the character 才. So there's not really an equivalent for 才in English, but it can mean only just, or not until. And the basic uses are to express lateness or small numbers. So keep in mind that 才 is never used with 了 at the end of a sentence. Some people make that mistake, but it's never used that way. So for an example for lateness, it's to express something that happened later than expected. So the structure that we go about is adverb before the verb. So you state the time, and then 才, and then the verb object. So an example of this is 昨天晚上我1点才睡觉. And so see how it's first time 1点, and then you use the character 才, and then the verb object is 睡觉. So I did not go to bed last night until 1 a.m. Another example is 我今天才发现钱包不见了. It was only today that I discovered my wallet is gone. And notice the structure again, it's time, 才, and then the verb object. Another example is 我们1点上课，老师1点半才到. And this says we have class at 1 o'clock and the teacher didn't come until 1:30. So it's to describe lateness. It didn't, using 才 is to express that something didn't happen or happened later than expected. And then the last one is 我才下班, I just got off work, later than expected. So the second use for 才 is used for small numbers. So it can also be used to emphasize that a number is small or less than expected. So the structure of our sentence then is 才, and then the verb, which sometimes there's a verb, number, measure word, and noun. So let's look at some examples. An example is 我才吃一个，可以再吃一个吗? So this says I only ate one. Can I have another one? And notice the structure is 才, and then verb, which is 吃, 一, which is one, and the number, and then 个 is the measure word. So I only ate one. Can I have another one? And another example is 我才21岁，你有多大? I'm only 21. How old are you? And another example, 我们一共才有10块钱，不够买饭. And this says, altogether, we only have $10, not enough to buy food. And also, remember, notice the structure, it's 才, and the verb, 有, is to have, and then 10 is the number, 块 is the measure word, and 钱 is the noun, which is money. Okay, so this is explained more in lesson 6, but there's also the character 就. So 就 is similar to 才in its use before the verb. However, it means as early as and demonstrates something happening sooner than expected, whereas 才means something happens later than expected. So this is explained more in lesson 6, but just one example is 我们1点上课，可是老师12点就来了. So when you use it here, it means, well, in this case, we start class at 1 o'clock, but the teacher came as early as 12 o'clock. So it's as early as, so it's kind of the opposite meaning of 才, but it's still used in the same structure. And that's everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood that. See you next time.